T-Mobile's International Pass keeps you connected in over 215 countries and destinations worldwide. Today, we'll walk through the complete activation process, step by step. T-Mobile offers several international pass plans to fit your travel needs. The main options include a 5 GB pass for $35 per month and a 15 GB pass for $50 per month. There are 4 convenient ways to activate your international pass. The T-Mobile app is the recommended method, but you can also use online account management, customer service, or text messaging. Let's start with the recommended T-Mobile app method. First, download and open the T-Mobile app on your device, then log into your account. The second method is through online account management. Visit my.tmobile.com, sign into your account, and navigate to plan and add-ons. You can also activate by calling customer service at 611 from your T-Mobile phone, or simply text travel to 7676 and follow the automated prompts. Here are the key details you need to know about activation. The process typically takes 2 to 4 hours for full activation, and you'll receive a confirmation text when it's complete. Before you travel, always verify coverage at your destination by visiting tmobile.com/coverage/roaming. This ensures your international pass will work where you're going. Your T-Mobile International Pass activation is now complete. Whether you choose the app, website, phone, or text method, you'll be connected worldwide in just a few hours. Safe travels. To get the most value from your T-Mobile International Pass, follow these essential optimization strategies that can help you conserve data and ensure reliable service during your travels. First, actively monitor your data usage through the T-Mobile app. This allows you to track consumption in real time and avoid unexpected overage charges. Second, connect to Wi-Fi networks whenever they are available. This conserves your past data allowance for times when Wi-Fi is not accessible. Third, activate your pass 24 to 48 hours before traveling. This ensures your service is fully active when you arrive at your destination. Smart cost-saving strategies can significantly reduce your international roaming expenses. The key is understanding when T-Mobile passes provide the best value. Analyze your trip duration carefully. International passes are most cost-effective for trips lasting 4 or more days, as daily roaming charges quickly exceed the monthly pass cost. For family travel, consider multiple passes rather than sharing data. This prevents one heavy user from consuming the entire family's data allowance. Avoid these common mistakes that can lead to unexpected charges or service disruptions during your international travel. The most common mistake is forgetting to cancel auto-renewal after returning from travel. This results in continued monthly charges for unused service. Always verify coverage in your specific destinations before traveling. Not all countries have the same level of service quality or data speeds. Monitor your data limits closely and avoid exceeding them without realizing it. Set up usage alerts to prevent unexpected slowdowns or charges. Understanding when T-Mobile International Pass provides the best value compared to alternatives helps you make informed decisions for different travel scenarios. T-Mobile passes excel for moderate to heavy data users on trips lasting 4 or more days. They provide predictable pricing that eliminates bill shock from unexpected roaming charges. However, occasional travelers or those staying in one location for extended periods should consider alternatives like local SIM cards, which may offer better value for specific use cases. By following these optimization tips, cost-saving strategies, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can maximize the value of your T-Mobile International Pass and enjoy worry-free connectivity during your travels.